Hey guys, Becki-licious here. And I've got this delicious leftover prime rib from my dinner last night. I hope you stick around because I'm going to make an amazing breakfast with it. All right, got my grill turned on. Let's make a prime rib omelet. All right, the first part in this prime rib omelet, we are going to add in some Ortega chilies that I sauteed up on the skillet a little bit ago. So we're going to throw these in the egg. And we're going to get this all whipped up. And while I am doing this, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and click on that link me for some other fun stuff, all right? Let's do this. Egg, this Ortega chili. This is going to be an amazing omelet. This is what I love about going out to eat and ordering prime rib because I know I'm going to make an amazing breakfast the next day. Of course, we're using pepperjack cheese. Everybody knows that. Oh, yummy. Can't have too much cheese, that's for sure. All right, so we're going to go ahead and layer a little bit of these green beans on here first because why not? It's leftovers and it was so yummy last night. It's going to be even yummier today. There we go. And then we're going to put in this prime. We're going to try to fit in all this prime rib because I want this omelet to be nice and meaty and yummy. Oh, doesn't that look so good? Oh, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, this is going to be fun. One more little one. All right. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of chopped up onion in there as well. Oh, yes. That's going to be good. Time to fold up this prime rib omelet. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, my goodness. This is going to be so good. Yummy. Prime rib omelet is sizzling. Oh, look at how amazing it looks. So now we're going to add our cheese triangles to the top. And just because we're being fancy, we're going to use a couple of these green beans along the top. Because like I said, we're going to be fancy today. Go out for a fancy prime rib dinner and you can have a fancy prime rib breakfast the next morning. All right, it's time to get this off the grill. All I'm waiting for now is my toast, and it is going to be time to eat. Oh, look at how amazing that looks. Tell me that doesn't look good. Oh, yum. Okay, breakfast is served. Look at how phenomenal this looks. This is why I love going out to dinner, and I always order prime rib because I know I'm going to have prime rib for breakfast the next day. So look at there. So there you go. I hope you guys had a good time with me today because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. Oh, yummy.